Succeeding from Tirava Naikaraja to power came Doddadevarajagaru. You are eager from the past, yet I must pause, for what comes next is not pleasant.
Is it for me to tell you, Mother, of the ebb and tide of history? When was it that history? People witness the history of Mysore through this glorious place. An elegant memory of modern Mysore is that of Krishnarajavarya IV, who took Mysore to its destiny of a model state. The forming of the Shimsha hydroelectric project at Shivasamudra and the iron and steel works at Bhadrati, the forming of Mysore University, Mysore Bank, Kannada Parishad, the launch of the radio channel, Mysore Akashvani, the Mysore Arasikere Railroad and the adult education program, the establishment of libraries all over the princely state, the Miller Commission for the Upliftment of Backward Classes, the Legislative Council for Training of Laws, his roster of achievements goes long. Distinguished administrators like the Divans, Sir Mokshabindam Vishwesharaya and Sir Mirza Ismail served the state during his regime.
Attention! His Royal Highness Sawadhan!
Your Highness, Sri Vishwesharaya awaits your kind audience.
Vishwesharaya, please come. We are apprised of your scheme.
Your Highness, if a dam were built across the Kaveri, thousands of acres of barren land would become most fertile. The lives of the poor would be flooded with wealth.
We do appreciate your genius. A scheme of such noble ambition will indeed have ready support. Please proceed.
I'm most grateful to you.
It was during the reign of Krishnarajavarya IV that the dam was built. Behind the dam was built a splendid garden, Vrindavan. Even the hydroelectric power generation project at Shivasamudra, the first in Asia, was completed during his tenure. Thus, the distinction of bringing electric power to the cities of Mysore and Bengaluru goes to Krishnarajavarya IV. Mysore was delighted. Sovereign Krishnaraja, light of every home. The name Krishnaraja became immortal in the history of Mysore. Mahatma Gandhi called him Rajarishi, sage among kings. The University of Banaras bestowed on him a doctorate of law. Eminent Kannada poet B.M. Shrikantaya wrote lyrics in his praise.
Mysore, the land of gold. Mysore, sanctum of the sandal. Mysore, gloried by the Veena. This Mysore, Krishnaraja IV. Nalvadi Krishna Mysore. ಬೆಳೆಯುವನಾಡದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಇಳೆಯ ಮಾದರಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗನಿಸಿರದು ಮೈಸೂರು ನಾಲ್ವಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರ ಮೈಸೂರು.
After the passing of Krishnarajavarya IV, Jayachamarajavarya became the king of Mysore. He was to be its last, ruling from 1940 till 1950, when India became a republic. During his tenure, the Sharavati hydroelectric project and the Bhadra project were envisaged. A philosopher, connoisseur, musicologist and statesman, he lived up to the warrior glory. As a composer, his name is reckoned among stalwarts, with bhakti or devotion being the main theme of his compositions in Sanskrit. Famous musicians sing them at concerts even today.
Shri Mahaganapatim bhaje hum Shri Mahaganapatim bhaje hum Shri Mahaganapatim bhaje.
My praises to great Ganapati, son of Shiva, brother of the six-faced Lord, to him who grants wishes and clears obstacles.
Shivatmajam Shanmukhagrajam Shri Mahaganapatim bhajeham.
Jayachandra breathed his last on September 23rd, 1974. The royal dynasty is now past, but it has left behind this breathtaking palace and the undying legacy of fine taste it cultivated among the people. The royal tradition manifests itself every year in the great Dasara festivities. In today's Dasara, now observed as a people's festival, we carry Goddess Bhuvaneshwari, the deity of the land, in a grand procession. All of my Mysore Dasara, our Dasara, it brings tradition alive year after year. This tradition
आ जाओ